everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. I know you are a little surprised seeing me in this video as you have only heard my voice in my previous videos. But what I felt like is if I do a video and interact with you like this, it will be more interesting. So today I'm going to tell you a story about a very hungry caterpillar. So before that, as I always say, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more notifications on my upcoming videos. So here I start. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on the leaf of a tree. On Sunday morning, the warm sun came up in the sky and popped out a tiny and a very hungry caterpillar. On Monday morning, as the caterpillar was very hungry, he was searching for food everywhere. So on Monday morning, he found one apple which he ate through one apple. But you know what happened? But still he was very hungry. So on the next day was Tuesday. So he was searching for food everywhere. So on Tuesday, he found 2 pears. So he was very happy as he was very hungry. He found 2 pears and started eating through 2 pears. But do you know what happened? Was he full? No. He was still hungry. On Wednesday, he found 3 plums and he was very excited. Oh, thank God, I'm very hungry and I found 3 plums to eat. So he started eating through 3 plums. But do you know what happened? Was he full? No. He was still hungry. So the next day was Thursday. Thursday, he was searching for food everywhere. Oh my God, I'm feeling hungry. I want something to eat. So on Thursday, he found 4 strawberries. So he was very happy. Thank God, I am so hungry and I found 4 strawberries to eat. So he started eating through 4 strawberries. But do you think that he was full? No, he was not at all full. So the next day was Friday. He was searching for food everywhere as he was still very hungry. So he found 5 sweet mangoes and he started eating through 5 sweet mangoes. But still he wanted to eat something. He was very hungry and it was too late. So what he did? He went back to his home and again the next day was Saturday. So on Saturday, he again started searching for food everywhere. So on Saturday, what he ate, you know? 1 piece of chocolate cake, 1 piece of cheese, 1 lollipop, 1 ice cream cone and many more things. And he was so full that he started getting stomach pains. He was crying, oh my God, I'm having very bad stomach pain. What I will do? The whole night he could not sleep. And the next morning when he woke up, it was again a Sunday. So he was searching for food once more so that he will eat something and he will feel better. So he found a very big and green leaf. So he started eating the green leaf. And you know what happened? He somewhat felt better. So again, like it was Sunday, and he ate one green leaf and he felt really better. Again, he thought, like, he was seeing like he's no more a tiny caterpillar. He has became a big fat caterpillar. So what he thought, like, he told to himself, let me build a house of mine so that I can stay inside that. So he built a small house to live in. You know what that small house is called? It is called a cocoon. So he went inside the cocoon and stayed there for more than 2 weeks. And after 2 weeks, he wanted to wake up and pull himself out of the cocoon. And do you know what happened? A magic happened. Abracadabra, gilgilish. And you know what happened? He became a very big, beautiful butterfly. He was so happy about it, and he screamed everywhere, oh my God, I have become a very big butterfly. And he started flying, and he was very happy. So what we learned from this story? We learned that we should always have healthy food. We should not go for any unhealthy food, because if we eat unhealthy food, we will become sick. We should always have a healthy diet. So I hope you all liked the story and you liked the video. And stay tuned for my upcoming videos. I'll be coming up with more interesting things. So till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy. Thank you.